Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can add stories on your highlights on Facebook. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your profile, Facebook profile, and now select the straight three lines on top of your right screen. And now select your profile again. And on the right side of your edit profile, select the three dots. And now select archive option here. Select the archive option, and on top of your skin, select a story archive. Story archive means all the stories that you previously uploaded on your profile. This will show all of them. And to add any story that you want to like, just select that picture. And on the right side of the bottom, you can see the option feature. Select the option feature here, and you can add this feature to your highlights. If you want to add it to a new highlights, just click this one, add, and give that folder any title. I'm gonna give it a random one, and just select save. And after doing so, this story will add to your highlights. So I'm gonna show you that this is exactly added to my highlights. As you can see, the new folder is created, and this is on my highlights. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.